I was unhappy and wished to be home is called Erin's Lovely Shore. There's a special place in Ireland, a spot down in the west, the last place God created, but the first one that He blessed. My home, it's there forever, though tonight I'm far away. I left it all behind me to go to America. I wanted to see life out there and to see how things were done. I thought my life here far too quiet, too simple and no fun. Oh, far away hills are very green, or so the people say. That life in New York City, it would steal your heart away. I got a job and worked like all the other people there, but very soon I realized that this could not compare with my old home in Galway, the centre of the West. My heart is there both day and night, the place I loved the best. The Yanks all loved to hear me sing of days so long gone by. The Irish too would join in, and sometimes I'd see them cry. Their faces sad amongst the crowd for what they'd left at home. Their parents, friends and lovers who were back there all alone. I've always spoke of great men from my county in the west. Joe Cooley, Paddy Fahey, they are heroes and the best. Their tunes are played throughout the world, their music will live on and span across the great divide from Galway to Japan. I'm going home tomorrow to see the old folks there, to meet with friends and relations, see those for whom I care. We'll sing, we'll dance and play a tune and speak of days of yore. So happy to be back again on Erin's Lovely